If you need to schedule a meeting quickly, Outlook makes it really easy to send a calendar invite from your computer or phone. In this video, I'll show you how to send a calendar invite in Outlook step by step, so you can invite one person or a whole group, set the time, add the location, and send it out in just a few clicks. This works in the Outlook desktop app, the browser version, and the mobile app, so no matter which device you use, you'll be able to create a meeting invite and keep everyone on the same page. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and go to your calendar. On the desktop app, you'll usually find Calendar in the sidebar. In the web version, you can switch to Calendar from the app launcher or the left panel, and on mobile, just tap the Calendar tab at the bottom. Once you're in your calendar, look for the New Event button. In some versions of Outlook, this may also appear as New Meeting or New Appointment, but the process is basically the same. Click New Event to open a new meeting window. Now start filling in the meeting details. At the top, enter a clear title for the event so your attendees know what the meeting is about. For example, you might type Team Sync, Client Call, or Project Review. Next, set the date and time. Make sure the start and end times are correct, because this is what Outlook will use when it sends the invite to everyone. If your meeting is recurring, you can also adjust the repeat settings, but for a standard invite, just choose the one-time date and time. After that, add the location if needed. This could be a conference room, an office address, or a virtual meeting link. If you're using Microsoft Teams or another online meeting option, you can often add that directly from the meeting settings. Then, find the Invite Attendees field. This is where you'll type the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add one person or multiple people separated by commas or by selecting them from your contacts. Outlook supports attendees from any email service, so they do not need to use Outlook themselves to receive the invite. Once the attendees are added, take a moment to review everything. Check the title, the date, the time, the location, and the invitees to make sure there are no mistakes. This small step is important because once you send the invite, everyone will receive the meeting details in their inbox and calendar. If you want, you can also add a message in the body of the invite. This is a great place to include an agenda, special instructions, or a quick note about what attendees should prepare before the meeting. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will email the calendar invite to all attendees and add the event to your calendar. If someone accepts the invite, Outlook will usually update the meeting status automatically, making it easy to track who's coming. And that's it. You've successfully sent a calendar invite in Outlook. Whether you're using the desktop app, the browser, or the mobile app, the steps are very similar, and once you do it a couple of times, it becomes a fast part of your workflow. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Outlook tutorials, productivity tips, and office software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.